Welcome to another DK Custom Products video on the little things that make a big difference. What we're going to be talking about today is a really little thing, and that is a heim joint. And we sell these in a pair of 2 heim joints, and they each come with a jam nut. So these little puppies here are much smoother than the ball joint that comes on the shifter rod on the Harleys. And so that's a little thing that makes a difference. But the other little thing that can make much more of a difference is these fail. The ball joints on the end of the shift rod that come on the Harley, not every one of them, but a fairly common occurrence is for those to fail. And I've had a couple of them fail, many years ago. One time I was on my Road King and I went to shift, couldn't figure out why, looked down, and the ball joint had failed. And so that's when I learned about putting heim joints on the end of the shift rod instead of using the factory. And of course, what I had fortunately with me was a zip tie. So I was able to zip tie this together to get home to be able to shift. But this is a little thing that can make a big difference, not only in how smooth it shifts, but these cannot fail, whereas these, they can just fall apart. It's a ball joint. So these are 5/16 24 thread, which which is what all the shift rods on all Harleys are. You have the same inch or so adjustability on each end of the rod. You can see I still have the factory linkage on here, and we're going to do a video, an installation video, and I'm going to go ahead and install the shift linkage that I've run on my last 2 tri-glides. So this will be the 3rd tri-glide that this is on, and we're going to go ahead and do a video on that. But this is a little thing. I think they're like 30 bucks for the pair. They're stainless steel. They're pretty shiny. If you want it to be a mirror finish, put some elbow grease into it and get it shinier. But this is how they come, pretty shiny right here. This is against some chrome, so not a lot of difference. Little thing, 30 bucks, not gonna leave you stranded, gonna shift smoother. If you all enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'd appreciate it. It's free. Share the video with your friends. Might help them out, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video comes out. You all ride safe out there.